to create content with your phone. Hi you guys, welcome to Beauty and Phones. I'm Beauty.
And I'm Phones.
So over the years, of course, you guys have watched my content, and when I tell people that majority of my content are actually filmed with my phone, right? People are like, Omabel, you're not serious. That's not, like, of course, they don't tell me that's not true, because you guys know one thing about me is I've been as open as possible. Yeah. I'm not the type to lie to you guys or anything. So today we're going to show you guys how we've been able to generate millions of dollars just filming with our phones.
Absolutely. So this can actually change everything for you. When you realize that what you have in your hand is a money-making machine, it'll change not only your mindset,
right,
it'll change your bank account. And that's what we've learned over the years of how to actually spot the opportunity that a phone gives you.
Yeah.
So the great thing about a phone is that everyone has it, and most people don't leave home without it.
Right, of course. I tell people that your phone is like your twin now. Like, yeah,
most I
it's
feel
like you're in the bathroom, you carry your phone. You are betting, you carry your phone.
Is like a body part.
Exactly. That's it. That's actually the right word. It's like
your
body
part.
Like
a body part. It's like
true.
an attachment.
You can't do without it.
People can't do without
it.
So when you see that, you need to really learn how to use it to your advantage to get you money coming into your business and also coming into your family. And we show you how to do this and how to make your home your income using your phone inside Beauty and Phones.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things that she's giving you a glimpse in today. And when we first started this journey, we started out with the most basic iPhone at the time, which was really the iPhone 7. Yeah. We started with that in our backyard, and we used that basically to do our start and our testing phase. Wow. At the time, we didn't know it because we were just basically going about filming, recording.
Just anything that could record us, that was all we needed.
She had acne at the time, and the goal was to really share what she was doing to help solve her acne problem with other women who were going through the same thing. Yeah. There are a lot of people who suffer from adult acne, and they're still trying to figure out ways how to actually get that solved.
Right. And I'm still in the process. Like I tell you guys, acne, of course, even though my acne is not as bad as it was back in the day, where I'm still going through it, but the fact that, I was able to start off, using my phone, document the process, and whoever told me that over 10 years after it's going to grow into this, I wouldn't have believed it. But it all started with my phones. And, thinking about it, now he said it, I was like, oh my gosh, iPhone 7. And this is iPhone 15. That's like years and years and years ago. And, of course, when I started with my phones, the quality is definitely, it's been, years and years and years and years ago. So everything has been improved, And one thing because of the fact that most of my content, I film it with my phone. I love to invest like every year. Yes. Once Apple comes out, of course, I'm an Apple girl. My husband is an Android guy, right? Yes. Once I hear anything like there is a new I coming out, I'm already like, we're already like, okay, we are getting that. And it's so funny because if you think about it, right? Even though the phone costs you, of course, you can get a camera for maybe $300, $500, but the ease.
Yeah.
There's just something about filming with my phone that I tell my husband, I said, there's just this ease.
You can't compare
you can't compare it. Like when I'm filming with, of course, I have cameras. We have like 3 different cameras.
Yeah,
we're talking of
professional
expensive cameras, right? But I still find myself running to my phone.
Yeah. It's just easy.
There's ease.
Yeah.
And it's another thing, like you said, it's like a body part. So it's something you're just so used to that. When I film with my phone, it's as if I'm not working. Right. But when I film with my camera, it's cumbersome. I know, okay, now I gotta film, I gotta work. You gotta fix it and everything. But when I'm filming with my phone, it's like, it's a hobby. It's just, I enjoy it, And so, of course, today we're going to show you how I love to film with my phone. And just like everyone, when you buy a phone, it's just a phone, right? But one amazing thing about phones now, especially like the latest iPhones, the 14, the 15s, right? Is that the quality, the camera quality. Honestly, if I didn't tell people that my content is with my phone, you would think it's with a camera because they've been able to give you the cinematic. Hold on, let me go to it because like you have the cinematic, you have everything you would get with a professional camera. You have the slow motion, you have the time lapse, you have the solo motion, you have the cinematic, video, photo, portrait, panel, everything. And another amazing thing is the fact that you're able to, how like, of course, as you guys can see, this is, the camera. You guys can see us. Hi, you can see us right here, on the front camera. But the amazing thing is that with this, right, you can just go ahead and start shooting. But let's say you're shooting in a place where it's dark, you know, there's no enough lighting. You can simply just swipe. Once you swipe, right? Of course, we're going to give you guys a close-up so you can see. You can just swipe and you're able to see different settings, right? The aperture, the ISO, you can adjust it. Let's say now that I'm filming in a place where there is no light, I can adjust my aperture, I can adjust my ISO to give me exactly what I'm looking for. So even though I'm filming in a place that don't have a lot of light exposure, just tweaking the settings on my phone, I'm able to get it to exactly what I want to. And then, of course, after filming, I then go into post-production. And when you hear post-production, it's as if, oh, it's a lot. But no, it's just few apps here and there, you know, that I get, which we are going to share in our class, you know. Because, of course, after filming with my phone, I love doing a little post-production, which, you know, I use my apps. I call it my apps because those are like my special apps I use to color correct, you know, and make it look as if I filmed with a camera, but it's actually a phone.
And you can do that with not only still pictures, you can also do it with videos. These are the secrets that we learned over the years. And one of the key things that she shared is that ease of filming with your phone positions you so that when it's time for you to distribute the content that you film, not only can it help you with the packaging of the content, but let's just say, for example, you're going to be using CapCut. It's easy. You actually have the CapCut app, right, on your phone. You can just transfer it there and you can use it. And we have many tools and apps, and also we also use AI to actually fine-tune our content and have it as the most studio quality that we can have when we put out, because we're working with brands, we're working with businesses,
companies,
the biggest businesses from all around the world, and we want to make sure that the quality that we put out is representative of not only our brand, but also puts us in a place where we actually are working with world-class businesses. And we're doing this all from home. So it's important to understand that when we start to share with you and roll back the curtains and start to show you how you can actually film content, how you can actually use your phone to film content, you will be surprised as to what you have in your hand, in your possession. And the possibilities are really, really endless. We also actually have many tools and also secrets that we're going to be sharing inside our Content on the Go class. So this is actually a class that we're going to be having on our website at beautyandphones.com. If you'd like to get that class, you can actually go to our website at beautyandphones.com, click on our Content on the Go class. It'll show you how to film content on the go. It'll show you how to film content every single day. Things that you may not have seen in your area is content. And we show you how to do that.
And of course, I was able to, you know, we are able to put everything down for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the content ideas for $100,000. So with these, you know, content ideas, you're able to, we put it right in here.
Give you a good start so you can actually use the content ideas that we included inside the planner so that you can actually start to create content at your house and start to move yourself forward financially. It's always about having the right strategy. It's always about having the right tools. It's not just having the phones, the tools. It's also having the strategy and marrying the two. So that's what we actually created for you, and we'll help you to actually start that by easily actually including that inside our 12-month dateless planner, which is also our mini course. So you can actually get our 5-bundle planner by going to our website at beautyandphones.com and just clicking on 12-month dateless planner. You'll be able to get the 5-bundle planner. Inside there, you'll be able to see these content ideas for $100,000. We've had pieces of content that's made us hundreds of thousands of dollars. We've had pieces of content that's made us 7 figures and 6 figures. So we actually want to make sure that you understand how important this is and the opportunity for you, and take advantage of it. Use it to your advantage. This is stuff that we actually, it took us a lot of blood, sweat, and tears over 12 years. And we're opening up and we're sharing, pulling back the veil, sharing with you, giving you glimpses and secrets and the opportunity to be able to learn this. So make sure you get those content ideas for $100,000 by actually going directly to our website. We look forward to seeing you inside that class.
And yep, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and till our next one, we're going to see you all very, very soon. Bye.